How to fix Android hotspot keeps disconnecting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Android hotspot if it keeps disconnecting. Whether you are trying to connect to a hotspot or you are trying to share your hotspot with another device, I'll walk you through the solution. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your settings app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply tap on the connections. Now here, simply scroll down and tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. And here make sure that your mobile hotspot is turned on. But if it is already on but acting up, try toggling it off and on again because sometimes that simple refresh does the tricks. And with that, the another option you can try is Bluetooth tethering. This allows your device to share both your internet and Bluetooth connection. It's a great backup if Wi-Fi tethering is acting weird. And now with that, simply tap on mobile hotspot again. Now from here, simply scroll down and look for auto hotspot. Now go ahead and turn that on. And this can help to keep your hotspot active when needed. And also check if your device is showing as connected under Bluetooth and hotspot settings. And if you're still having issues, no worry. We have got another fix for you. So what you can do is simply head back to the main settings and tap on SIM manager. And here, if you're using a physical SIM card, you can try removing it and put it back. But if you're using an eSIM, just toggle it off and wait for 20 seconds and then turn it back on. And this forces your phone to reconnect to the nearest mobile tower, and that often solves mobile data and hotspot glitches. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.